Ever struggled with memorizing large amounts of information? Flashcards are one of the most effective learning tools, but creating them manually takes forever. Today, I'll show you how to use AI to generate flashcards in minutes instead of hours, saving you time while boosting your learning efficiency. Flashcards are simple yet powerful learning tools. Each card has a question or term on one side and the answer or definition on the other. The concept is straightforward. Look at the question and try to recall the answer. Flip the card to check your response. If correct, set it aside. If incorrect, return it for another review. They are particularly effective for learning foreign vocabulary, historical dates, formulas, and technical terms. Modern digital flashcard applications offer significant advantages: access from any device, multimedia content integration, smart repetition algorithms, progress tracking, pre-made card decks. Popular apps include Anki, Quizlet, and Vaia. Many of these use spaced repetition systems, scientifically proven methods that dramatically improve long-term memory retention. Imagine you're given a list of 100 plus vocabulary words to memorize. Creating cards manually would take ages. This is where AI can transform your workflow. I'll demonstrate using ChatGPT, but the process works with other AI assistants too. Step-by-step process. Prepare your material. Take a photo of your study material or have it in digital format. In my case, it's a German vocabulary list without translations. Upload to ChatGPT. Upload your photo or document. Use this prompt. I need to create a table for learning vocabulary. Put German words in the second column and their translations to your language in the first column. Format the table as XLSX. You can specify CSV or other formats depending on what your flashcard app requires. Quality check. Review the AI-generated table for any missing words or errors. For large datasets, submit them in smaller chunks to minimize errors. You can ask the AI to verify its work, but always double-check manually. Import to your flashcard app. For Vaia, create a new card set, click the three dots menu, select Import, choose Excel format, select your file and confirm. For Anki, open your deck, click Import, select your CSV file, configure settings, front side and back side. Verify cards display correctly in the preview. Click Import. And that's it. You've just transformed a tedious task into a quick and efficient process. These AI-generated flashcards will help you learn faster while saving valuable time. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more learning productivity tips. Thanks for watching.